Welcome back. Today I'm going to remove any plated stuff from my acid, like gold fingers and things like that. I will be wearing my PPE, like gloves and things like that. I'm going to be very careful. So we can remove what we can, which is like finishing the acid, and we'll leave it there until everything's done. Obviously things with only a little bit of base metals will be done, and stuff with loads of base metals will still have plenty to do. I'll bring the camera towards the acid so you can see. So that's how it's going. So I'll just start removing and we'll just see how it is. So as you can see here, this is like the keyboards we bought in. If I rub it, gold comes off. Obviously you have to be extra careful if I use stuff like nitric acid. Luckily this is just weak hydrochloric acid, so it very barely fumes. You can see I've pulled the foils off. If I do this now, it should all come off. You can see pretty much all of it. Give it an extra little wipe. So that's that done, ready for the bin. So next we got IDE. You see the pins are still there, but if I rub my fingers across, how many are done? So some of them, as you can see, are flattened. So they're done, but some haven't done. So I'm guessing air bubbles has got to them and not allowed it to get to it, which that's a good sign because they've got quite a lot of base metals. So that's a good sign that a lot of it's nearly done. These highly plated things still barely look like anything's happened to them. So that big board I stuck in, which had loads of IDEs on, the pins pretty much all feel perfectly flat, so it looks like a lot of that's been done. You've got a pinless CPE. Rub your fingers across them. And keep them well away from the acid, even though there'll be very few fumes from this acid. Extra safety. You can see all the gold's come off, so if I rub it in the acid it should all come off. All the gold's gone. See, gold's coming off some of it, even stuff like this. The gold's falling off if I rub my fingers across it. See, the gold's on my fingers now. So stuff like that I'll be able to scrape out if I need to, if it takes too long. Me doing that would have just sped it up because acid now gets the copper a lot easier. I could do with a bit more hydrochloric acid to put in there, and that'll get it done a lot quicker, because it seems to be quite full up with acids, well, of metal, sorry. So I will order some more. I've run out at the moment. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll just clean my fingers in that. Right, all the gold's off my hands. Yeah, I'll do another video when I'm topping up the acid with more acid, more hydrochloric, so it can hold more base metals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on any video ideas you have. I will do a video when I put them all with extra acid in, and I've also got a second channel where I try to do daily updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.